Hey, I'm Sohan, one of the co-founders of Flint. We've recently made two major upgrades to make the AI tutors on Flint much more advanced. In this video, I'm excited to walk you through them. The first is that we've greatly improved the memory that AI tutors on Flint have. So before, teachers were only able to upload around 6,000 words of content for each AI tutor to pull from. We've now upgraded that limit to 96,000 words. And that's unlocked all sorts of new use cases. So for example here, I've uploaded 2 whole chapters from an AP Biology textbook to create a review session for my students. If I open up those chapters in a new tab, you'll see there's a lot of content that the AI is now able to pull from. If I go back to that tutoring session, you'll see that students can ask very specific questions about the text. For example, I can ask about vocab terms from a specific section of one of the chapters. And Flint's able to go into that textbook chapter, pull all the specific content to help me as a student review for my test. In addition to giving the AI tutors on Flint much more expansive memory, we've also added the ability for AI tutors to understand images. This has also unlocked new use cases, especially for students showing their work when solving problems. So for example here, I've got a math tutor. The AI gave me a question, and I think I've now got the solution. But I can actually show the AI my work to see if I did anything wrong. I can do that by clicking this camera button, holding up my work, and taking a picture. I can now send that picture to the AI, and it'll give me feedback on how I did. As you can see, the AI actually looked at my work and said whether I got the question right and if I showed my work correctly or not. This image support also lets students upload images into the chat to help aid in their understanding. So for example here, I took a picture of a whiteboard with a Venn diagram and asked the AI to turn it into notes for me. And it was able to interpret the image and write it out into notes for me to use. And here, I took a Dutch cartoon of Napoleon and asked the AI, hey, what does this cartoon say about Napoleon? And not only was it able to understand the symbols in the image, it was also able to translate this text for me so I could better understand it. We hope that the upgrades to increase memory and for the AI to interpret images unlocks all sorts of new use cases for Flint. And we're excited to see what you do with these new features. Thanks.